Hey all, in this video we are going to see about sampling and the difference between a sample and a population. Firstly, let's see what does sampling mean. By general, in statistics, quality assurance and survey methodologies, sampling is a selection of a subset of individuals from within a statistical population to estimate characteristics of the whole population. In simple, a sample is a subset of individuals from a larger population. Sampling means selecting the group that you actually collect data from in your research. By this, we get to know that samples are parts of population. Let's see an example. Consider you want to take a survey of 1 lakh people that whether they like ice cream or not. It is rarely possible to survey everyone, so we select a sample from them. The sample is the group of individuals who will actually participate in the research. To draw valid conclusion from the result, you have to carefully decide how you will select a sample that is representative of the group as a whole. Considering this, there are two types of sampling methods: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Let's see probability sampling first. It means that every member of the population has a chance of being selected in a survey. In simple, every member of a target population has a known chance of being included in the sample. Whereas in non-probability sampling, individuals are selected based on non-random criteria, and not every individual has a chance of being included. So you can't calculate the odds of any particular item, person or thing being included in your sample. Question time. Which of the following is a branch of statistics? If you know the answer, kindly mention in the comment section. If this video gets 100 likes and above, I can make a specific video on the types of probability sampling and non-probability sampling. And lastly, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, which is actually free of cost.